to make a logo in CapCut. So if you want to make a logo in CapCut, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your CapCut application. After opening your CapCut, you need to just simply go with the edit section and then go with a new video. After that, select the video. Once you've selected, now you just need to simply go and select your logo. So go with the plus and select the photo or the logo. Once you've selected, you need to drag it to the bottom or tap on it and then go with overlay, which will be right here. Tap on overlay and it will come like this. Now you just need to simply go and adjust the logo till the end of the video. Once you do that, you need to tap on your logo and adjust it wherever you like. After adjusting, you need to go to the bottom and then go and select remove background. Tap on remove background. After that, tap on chroma key, go and select the color picker and select the white section. Once you do that, go with the tick which will be on the right side, and that's it. If you play the video, then you will have your logo like this. That's it. That's how you can prepare a logo, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.